Hi guys, I'm RJ and it's already in the evening. Tonight we're working on, we're going to conduct a general cleaning on ice machine with one of my coffee shop clients. So come and join me. See you later. Bye-bye.
Time niya, hindi tulad dati na sobrang bilis na magano. Nung huli, at may tapos yung mga nagtaka din ako yung kanya, yung yellow niya. Hindi na yung nag-block nila luwa. Talagang may makapatas. Kailangan ko pagpagpagal para kami walay.
Sobrang kapal naman.
Sobrang kapal.
Tapos sobrang tagal.
Tapos, in-adjust ko yung size ng yelo. Ganun pa din, kahit ano namin, adjust ko.
Hi guys, this is me, RJ. I'm a technician of kitchen equipment. Today we're working on ice machine. We are conducting a general cleaning. Look at that scale build up. That's why we use the scaler to remove that. The customer complaint is error 7. Okay, we will check on that in the manual, what is the problem. But I think it gets error from the ambient temperature, because if you look at the site, there's so many outdoor condenser, there is an exhaust fan. Also we are here beside of a roadside. I will show you the parts components of this ice machine. Okay, start from the back. This hose is what you call the water inlet hose, and this one is the drain hose. This is not enough. This part is called solenoid water inlet. The dump valve solenoid. This is the compressor, and we have a float switch, water level, and we have evaporator. We have controller, power board. We have TXT. Yeah, this is. And we have two condenser fan motor. We have starting kit. We have hot gas solenoid. We have pressure switch there. Pressure switch and hot gas solenoid. And this is the condenser of the unit. Okay. And we have this water distribution tube. We have water pump. Okay guys.
Ice machine.
the reason why the ice makers can't produce ice, because this water distribution is totally blocked by scales or totally clogged. The water from the water tank can pass through here, going to evaporator to make ice. Okay, to clean it first, and then we assemble it, then we will have a test run again. So many dirt and scale. We need to clean it first. And it's already clean and ready to install that for a test run. Okay guys, this blow switch is already clean. Hopefully this is the one that gives error 7 to our unit, because before it was dirty and